Happy Wednesday, everybody! This week, I am going to get into the fall theme. I'm going to make something that a lot of people, or Visco girls, if we want to call them, love from Starbucks. And that is a pumpkin spice latte. Fall is already here, but it does not feel that way at all whatsoever in Texas. I like the pumpkin spice latte too, but I'm not as crazy about it as a lot of other people. But I wanted to try to make it myself because everybody said it's super easy, and instead of spending $5 on one pumpkin spice latte, you can spend $5 on making, I don't even know how many, like 10, 15. I forgot the whipped cream. We need that for the end. It was in the fridge. Let's get this started. I am following a recipe online. It says it's only gonna take a total of 10 minutes to make. Very easy. Okay, so I have all my ingredients here. You can use whole milk or whatever milk you want, but I want to use almond milk because I'm weird about like dairy right now. I think it makes me break out. We have to get the pumpkin puree. You can make it yourself, but you can also buy the can, and I just wanted to take the easy way, so I got the can. Sugar, pumpkin spice. I could not find it. I was literally at the store for like 30 minutes looking for one thing, and they didn't have it there for some reason. But I'm just gonna use cinnamon because that's basically it. Vanilla extract, coffee, and whipped cream for serving. I'm going to make the coffee with the Nespresso over there whenever it gets to that time, but we don't need to do that right now. Step 1, we are going to have to go to over there to the stove. Step 1. After you get all your ingredients together, combine the milk, pumpkin puree, sugar, pumpkin pie spice, and vanilla in the pot. Vigorously whisk until the mixture is all together. We need 1 cup of milk. I can also put the link to this recipe in the description box. Let's turn this on. Medium heat. Annoying. Can you not do that? For some reason it does that, and it's really weird. Okay, let's try this again. How do I stop this? Got it. That's gonna be real annoying. All right, 1 cup of milk. Almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. So this might not be as sweet, but it'll be fine. So we have our milk. We're gonna pour that right in. Pumpkin puree. 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. I'm gonna do heaping tablespoons, so that means a lot. I feel like this one says maple syrup, but you don't really need maple syrup, and the other one said just do sugar instead of maple syrup. So I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of sugar. Vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. I've always wondered like why they do such little amounts of it, but it is strong. We got the milk, the pumpkin puree, the sugar, the spice, and the vanilla extract. So now we have to whisk it. I'm gonna put that in here. Whisking constantly until mixture is warmed. Then blend mixture with an immersion blender until frothy. Well, we used to have one of those frothers, but it broke. I guess I'm gonna have to do it by hand. It's gonna take a while. Okay, I think I can let that sit for a minute. We have to go make the little espresso. Absolutely perfect. We are back. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
It is getting way too hot. Turn that off. Put hot espresso in a mug, then top with pumpkin spice foamed milk, top with whipped cream, and a sprinkle of pumpkin pie spice. Smelling mighty fine. It is time to put this thing together. I'm thinking we should put it in a clear glass with a cute little table. I am aware that that is definitely not a table. I just was thinking that a cup goes on the table and then, I don't know. It's not a table, it's a plate. We're gonna put this all together now. We got the espresso, the shot of espresso. Put that right in. It adds the caffeine. Your frothed pumpkin spice we just made. right? Oh my god, that's so pretty. What the heck? Can we get a close-up of this? Oh my gosh, it fits perfectly. That's absolutely beautiful. Wow. Now I'm gonna make it even more pretty with the whipped cream. I got the fat-free one, saving calories where I can. Hopefully I can make this pretty. I'm really bad with whipped cream. Wow, gorgeous. Now we're gonna put cinnamon on top and we're done. Oh my gosh, I need a picture. ASAP. I feel like it's gonna be super hot. Oh yeah, it is. Cheers. Oh, just blew all the cinnamon everywhere. Smart. Yum. It literally tastes just like it. And the whipped cream, like sipping it through the whipped cream makes it a little bit sweeter. The cinnamon on top tastes just fine. I did amazing. I'm proud of myself. I didn't make that big of a mess. It's just cinnamon is everywhere and trash, but I can throw it away. You wanna try this, Mom?
Oh, it looks so good.
I know. Tell me more. It's really hot. Just be careful. You're in the fridge.
Dude, oh, sorry. Mmm, so good.
Right? It's like not
Good
that
job.
as sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Watch out.
With this whipped cream on top?
Mhm.
Ready whip?
Yeah. But fat free, so it's better.
Good.
Good though, right?
Yeah, I did all of this.
Yep. Oh my gosh, it's open.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Well, that was my video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm thinking of doing more pumpkin spice videos, like popsicles. I saw that online and I was like, oh my god, those are cool. And I don't know how they would taste because a pumpkin spice popsicles are usually in the summertime and then you're putting autumn with summer and I don't know if that just doesn't mesh. But we'll see. I am very proud of myself, and if y'all try this, I want y'all to tag me in your pictures on Instagram or wherever you post it, or you can just comment and tell me that you did and how it tasted, and if you hated it, then tell me you hated it. I hope all of y'all try this and y'all love it just as much as I did. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. Cheers. Hot.